Okay, good morning. Welcome to
AwesomeMath169.
AwesomeMath169. So this is a problem out of your special right triangles section. It looks like we just got a little tiny smudge, so just fix that. And what it said is, here's some figures. We're going to draw these figures, and then you have to fill in the lengths of the missing line segments, the ones that aren't labeled. So in this one, we have a quadrilateral labeled this way with a 60-degree angle here. What's that angle?
That's a right angle.
Okay, that's a 120-degree angle. We don't know what this angle is yet. What is that? What do these two tick marks mean?
That means they're the same.
Okay. All right.
So if we know these two are the same, then we know that's 14 and this is 14.
Okay.
Let's see. Well, what else could we figure out from these? Well, we could divide it into two triangles. So these two triangles here. They're two triangles that are they're congruent triangles.
How come they're congruent?
Well, because we're coming from two corners, one corner to another.
Okay.
So these are congruent.
What does it mean when triangles are congruent?
So I don't think actually. We're not sure if actually these are congruent or not.
What makes you think they might not be?
Well, because this is a 120-degree angle and that's a 90-degree angle.
Oh yeah, and when triangles are congruent, what's true?
Their angles are the same.
Their angles are the same, yeah.
So I can't figure this one out.
Okay.
Maybe we could split it. If we split it this way, then this would be 45 degrees, and this would be 60.
How come?
Well, because we're chopping these angles in half. We don't know that we are or not.
Right. You gotta be careful about labeling those angles like that. See if you can see anything in the diagram that might help you figure out those angles.
Well, the angles and the angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360.
Okay.
So, well, we can find this angle.
Oh, interesting. All right.
Well, we've already got a 60-degree angle here. So that's 60 plus 90 plus 120. And then we're going to subtract the sum from 360.
Okay.
So it's 100, 70, so that's just 270.
270.
So that means this angle is 90.
Oh, interesting. So you found that angle. Okay.
Well, that means these are two right angles.
Yeah. Do you see anything else that helps you find angles in your diagram? More angles in your diagram now?
Well, we could do this. Then we could get here, and then well, this is a 90-degree angle. This is a 60-degree angle. That means this has to be a 30-degree angle.
Okay.
So that's a special triangle.
Okay. What's the 30-degree angle there?
A 30-degree angle is this small one.
Okay. Good. Interesting.
What else could we do? Well, now we know this is a rectangle. So we wanted to find these sides.
Okay. That's a very interesting approach.
Well, we know that this is 14. This is 14 because this is a rectangle.
Okay, be careful though. This whole side is 14. From here to here is 14.
So if this, then how could we figure out those sides? We need to figure out the height of this triangle.
Yeah.
There. We need to we could try to figure out this part.
Okay.
It doesn't give us any other side lengths except this here.
Right. So did we learn anything special about 30, 60, 90 triangles today?
I think we did.
Okay. What was that we learned?
Well, you can divide an equilateral triangle into those two triangles.
Oh, interesting.
So if we made another 30, 60, 90 triangle, this would be 14 here.
Okay.
And then this would be 90, 60,
All right.
30. So now, then we can figure out,
Where are your side lengths that are 14, by the way?
well, this side length is 14 here, and then this side length is 14, and then this side length is 14.
What side length? What was that third side length that's 14?
This side length.
Okay. So what does your picture actually look like? If you drew it correctly, what would your picture look like?
Well, it would be an isosceles triangle.
Show me your 3 side lengths of your equilateral triangle that are 14.
Well, it would be this one. This side length. Well, we can't say it's an equilateral triangle
Why not?
because this whole side length is 14.
Okay. So where's the third side that's 14? Where would you have to draw that?
You have to draw that this side.
Okay. Where's the first side that's 14?
Then there would be this side.
All right. Where's the second side that's 14?
Well, it would go all the way over here.
It would go over there. Okay.
This. So now we have those. Now we can find. And how can we find?
All right. Should we take a pause?
Okay.